In order to complete reverse percentage changes, we first need to make sure we can multiply by percentage multipliers to find percentage increases and decreases. If you are to increase something by 10%, then you have the original 100% of the amount plus 10% added onto it, which gives you 110% in total. 110% as a decimal is 1.1. So to increase by 10%, we would multiply by 1.1. If I wanted to decrease something by 20%, then our 100% take away 20% is 80%. So we have 80% of the amount left. This means 80% is 0.8 as a decimal. So we would multiply by 0.8 to reduce something by 20%. Reverse percentage changes are about finding the original amount after a percentage increase or decrease has been applied to it. So we're going to do 3 examples. The first example we're going to do is about this jacket being reduced by 20% in a sale and now costs £60. You're asked to find the pre-sale price. So we need to consider the original price and the sale price. We know the sale price is £60. It has been reduced by 20%, so 20% less means that we've got 80% of the total cost of the jacket, so the percentage multiplier used is 0.8. We can work backwards. Now, the opposite of multiplying by 0.8 is dividing by 0.8. If you work that out on a calculator, you end up with £75. You can check this is correct by working out 20% of 75 and subtracting it, and you should end up with £60. So that's an example of percentage decrease. Now we're going to look at one where we have to consider the percentage that's been increased. So a holiday costs £320 per person, inclusive of a 10% tax. We want to find the pre-tax cost of the holiday. So we consider the pre-tax cost and the actual cost of the holiday. We know that that is £320. Got a 10% tax increase, so our 100% has been added to 10%, so we end up with 110% in total. This is 1.1 as a multiplier, so to go from the pre-tax to the cost, we times by 1.1. To reverse that, we need to divide by 1.1, which if you do that, and rounding to 2 decimal places, because money is rounded to 2 decimal places, you end up with £290.91. One more percentage reduction, reverse percentage change. So a company reduces its employees by 8% to 161. If you do 100% take away 8%, you end up with 92%. This means that 92% is 0.92 as a decimal, as the multiplier you use. So here we've got the original amount, which we don't know, but we know we have multiplied it by 0.92 to get the employee number of 161. Reversing that, we divide by 0.92 and find the company originally had 175 employees.